안녕하세요. 저는 아야입니다. Hi everyone, my name is Aya and today I want to talk about Korea's independence on August 15, 1945. In 1897, King Gojong announced the establishment of Korean Empire, and the name of the state was changed from the Kingdom of Joseon to the Korean Empire. And this was evidence that Korean was not dependent on any external power. And Emperor Gojong oversaw the successful partial modernization of the army, economy, land system, education, and various industries, which led to the prosperity end of the country, which raised concern in Japan about the speed of development and modernization. In 1910, Japan occupied Korea, dismantled and ended the Korean Empire, and turned the Korean peninsula into a Japanese colony. The Japanese colonial authority banned the use of the Korean language in schools and universities. And even included in the Korean educational curriculum new costumes and encouraged Koreans to manual labor and loyalty to the Japanese emperor. And destroyed 200,000 Korean history books with the aim of disengaging Koreans from their history and past. And after the Second World War, Japan was defeated and unconditionally surrendered to the United States and the Allied countries after the United States dropped nuclear bombs on Japanese cities, including Hiroshima, to end the war with Japan, which led to the surrender of Japan and the collapse of the Japanese Empire in 1945, which led to the withdrawal of Japanese forces from Korea. And finally, the independence of Korea on August 15, 1945. Korea's independence was the result of its continuous struggle for the injustice of colonialism in various forms, and this independence was achieved with the sacrifices and courage of the strugglers of the Korean people as a new starting point for Korea. And Korea became an independent, wonderful, and developed country until now, with the wish to remain a great independent country. The story of Korea's independence is not just history, it's a source of inspiration for me and for anyone who believes in freedom. 감사합니다.